Harrison, what are you doing?
Stop it.
What are you doing? Shoveling?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Whoa! What was Daddy doing?
The snowboard.
How do you have the snowblower? What do you have to do with the snowblower? What do you need? He needs cords?
Yeah.
How does he make the snowblower work? Turn. He needs to turn it on?
I'll put it.
Ooh, you got a big glove there, Harrison. Where's Mommy?